another day in the world of Subaru madness. I had to go to emissions. I bought one of these offshore catalytic converters a couple years ago, and they worked from 12 to noon pretty much, and then since that my check engine light was on for the last 2 years. But I had to go again, and I have bought another catalytic converter which was EPA approved, so I thought that would be maybe better than a good one. And I put it on, I went to emissions, I got my pass sticker, life was good, and the next day started puffing out on the manifold. I thought, what's that? What is this now? So I have the suspicion that when they welded that thing together, instead of being flat on the flange, it probably went like this. And unfortunately I have to take it out and check it if that's right. And if it's right, I'm gonna fix it. So let me get under the car and do that, and I see you once I got that thing out, because it's getting hot. It is hot actually, so I don't want to burn my finger, so I have to wait till it's cooled down. So I see you in a minute.
With some love and a little care, I know we'll steal the show. Oh, and when the journey feels too long, I'll find my way again. In the rear view, memories linger like the warmth of old friends. With every mile I will.
Alrighty. Okay. Alright, let's look at the gaskets, and they look actually pretty good. No sign of anything like it should do a puff noise. I mean, a little bit here blowing out there, but that is so weird. Let's check out the flange. And oh, look, here you can see right here, it's blowing out right there on the side, and a little bit on the back. So let's see the other side. Just a tiny bit on here, so that was not very well sealed. So let's check it out and see if it's crooked or not. Okay, I brought the catalytic converter in. I check it out now if these planes are nice and parallel, not bent in or out. So let's put that straight edge on it here, and let's turn it around, so, and throw some light through there. And as you can see, it's going inwards. Let's see here. This is actually not too bad. Let's check this side out. This is going inwards too. It looks horrible here. I can put a feeler gauge in there and see that. See this side? It's not bad. This side, it's not too bad. A little bit of light, and here a little bit of light. So, and this was the bad side, so I can see why. Now I have to fix that, either like the good old German way, file it for 6 weeks and make it straight, or I will put it on a machine and just skim cut it perfectly straight. So let me set that up. There will be a little bit of a challenge, but let's see what we can do. Let's go.
Riding high in my Subaru, underneath the star sky, my old friend waits for me with rusted wheels and faded dreams. It carries history. We share the winding roads and whispered tales of yore, and every bump and every scrape, it's worth a little more. So I'll fix my old Subaru, make her shine like new. With every turn of the wrench, I'll bring her back to you. Through the hills and valleys, we'll ride through thick and thin in my Subaru. My heart will always win. I remember summer nights, headlights dancing on the road, laughing with my friends, we were young, a carefree load. Now the engine's tired, but it's not time to let go. With some love and a little care, I know we'll still
So I machined both ends here, as you can see, nicely ground down. So they're straight. I know they're straight. They might be not 100% straight with each other, but it's a tough one to set that up, and I don't have 6 weeks to make a jig or something. Now comes the fun part. I have to put the, I know what it is, heat shield on, yeah. But thank you for reminding me.
My pleasure.
So I have to put that stupid shit on, which doesn't fit very well either. So, all right. So let's do a little puzzling here. That looks good. No. And I guess this one goes like this.
Every boat I tighten, I feel my heart beat. With open skies and a road so wide, I'll find my way with my car as my guide. So let the engine roar, let the wheels spin free. In the warmth of the night, it's just my car and me under the hood, where the magic hides. I found a journey and it starts tonight.
Hello? Is that thing on? Okay, we are back to install that piece of iron back on the machine. Car. This time I got myself some Velcro gaskets. I don't know where the other ones came from, so just want to make sure it's not huffing and puffing anymore. Okay, let's see. That'll be fun.
Would it be fun putting it back on?
Yep. All right, I guess they work. So let's see if we can wrestle that in.
Are the ones up here laying on top of the ones?
Yeah,
When I hand it, will you be the right ones?
I have to get it fixed on this side here. So this is a little bit more a pain in the ass to get that on here.
Riding high in my Subaru, underneath the star sky, my old friend waits for me with rusted wheels and faded dreams. It's history. We share the winding roads and whisper tales of yore, and every bump and every scrape, it's worth a little more. So I'll fix my old Subaru, make her shine like new. With every turn of the wrench, I'll bring her back to you through the hills and valleys. We'll ride through thick and thin in my Subaru. My heart will always win. I remember summer nights, headlights dancing on the road, laughing with my friends. We were young, a carefree load. Now the engine's tired, but it's not time to let go. With some love and a little care, I know we'll steal the show. Oh, and when the journey feels too long, I'll find my way again in the rear.
Oh, Cody here on it. That will be working well now.
With every mile, I'll hold on tight to all the dreams we spun in my Subaru. The road is never done. So here's to fixing every dent, to laughter, love, and scars. With courage and a wrench in hand, we'll drive beneath the stars. In the heart of my old Subaru, our adventures will renew. Together we'll keep rolling on. Just me and you. Our adventures will renew. Together we'll keep rolling on. Just me and you.
Yeah, all that work for nothing. I have to get the table away from there. Catalytic converter.
Did you have your hands in the engine motion?
It's perfect. Why is that thing running already? The fans.
Riding high in my Subaru, underneath the star sky.
As you can hear, it got a lot quieter now, so it's sealed up nicely. Not listening to the backside or somewhere in between. My exhaust is extremely rusted out. I have to fix that too. But that's another day in the world of Subaru Nation. So I don't know, if you don't have a machine like I have and you have to do some work like that, you can do it the old-fashioned way with grinding and gluing and a plate or so. You take a glass plate, rub it on it, see the high spots, low spots, file them off, and it takes a little bit longer than I got away with it. But if I wouldn't have had the machine, I would have done it the old way. So there's another whatever job done, and now we go and check that one off the list. I hope you guys have a great weekend or week, whatever is in front of you, and I will talk to you later.
Riding high in my Subaru,